Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you one of the conclusion hypothesis type of question. So without any delay, let's go to the question how I approach this type of question. The similar strategy you can also follow in your examination. Okay. So without any delay, what I will do here is I'll read first question. Which finding, if true, will most directly support Martinez and colleagues' hypothesis? Okay, so from reading question I understood that this is a supporting type of question, and I will directly jump into the paragraph. The bird species M. barbatus, this M. barbatus, the bearded flycatcher, also known as, which forages in relatively dense vegetation. So it lives in dense vegetation, or it like forages other birds or creatures in relatively dense type of area. I understood from here. And P. saturatus, okay, this P. saturatus, which forages in open area or low dense vegetation. Okay, so this P. saturatus bird or any species which forages in open area. Okay, so it can look farther than this M. barbatus. Just I got it from here. And which share territory, means the area, total area in French Guiana with T. cassius. Okay, so with this species, these two M. barbatus and P. saturatus share territory with with T. cassius, which this T. cassius which emits a loud alarm call when it detects predator. So this cassius this cassius I mean to say emit a loud alarm calls whenever it detects a predator or any type of species which is going to harm T. cassius. And then this biologist Ari Martinez and colleagues who studied the ecological community, the species share hypothesized that there is an inverse relationship between birds' field of vision while foraging and their sensitivity to alarm calls from neighboring species. Okay, so this is the very much important line which I found in this paragraph. Okay, so it directly told that this inverse relationship it shows, okay, with the field of vision and sensitivity to the alarm calls, which means whenever the field of vision is higher for any species, the alarm call will directly inversely proportional to alarm call, which means what I understood here. Okay, so I will write like this. So what I understood from here, whenever any of the species will have a larger or greater field of vision, his or her species will have lower sensitivity to the alarm calls. So in this paragraph I understood here is that M. barbatus have field of vision lower, so which means it must have sensitivity to the alarm calls much larger. Okay, whereas this P. saturatus which have field of vision larger will have the sensitivity to the alarm calls lower. So my conclusion will be this, and this will be the supporting conclusion for my this type of question, and I will directly sort into the option. Okay, so without any delay I will go to the answer choice. What it is saying: when Martinez and colleagues played T. cassius alarm calls, M. barbatus and P. saturatus displayed no reaction, whereas T. cassius display predator avoidance behavior. This is totally wrong. Why? Okay, let me. Okay, so this answer choice is totally wrong because this Martinez and colleagues when played a T. cassius alarm calls, this M. barbatus and P. saturatus displayed no reaction, which is not matching to our the conclusion. And the second option choice, what it is said is, many local bird species with similar foraging habits to those M. barbatus displayed no reaction when martinez and collies played T. cassitis alarm calls. Okay, again I read, many local bird species with similar foraging habits to those M. barbarata display no reaction. No, no, no. This will be answer wrong, because these M. barbaratas or the similar type of local bird species will have low field of vision and will have must have higher to the sensitivity calls, okay, alarm calls. So this is directly saying the opposite, so it will be wrong. Let's look into the option C. Similarly, some individual of P. satiratus display predator avoidance behavior. No, no. This P. satiratus doesn't show the predator avoidance behavior because it has a large field of vision and must have low sensitivity to the alarm calls. So this first line only shows the wrong to the our prediction when Martinez and Collins played TKSS alarm calls, whereas nearly all did when Ambaratas alarm calls were played. Okay, no, so this is totally opposite to our conclusion. This doesn't match with anything. So let's look into the option number D. P. satiratus displayed no reaction when Martinez and colleagues played T. Cassius alarm calls. Okay, yeah, because this P. satiratus displayed no reaction because it have higher field of vision and lower sensitivity to alarm calls, so it most likely show no reaction to the T. cases alarm calls, whereas M. barbatus displayed predator avoidance behavior in response to the call. Yeah, exactly, the conclusion what we have predicted is matching with our conclusion in the option choice number D, because M. barbatus have low field of vision, which means it must have higher sensitivity to the alarm calls, and this is totally matching with our conclusion. So I will directly click on the option number choice and go forward in the exam to go forward. So yeah, I hope you understood what I mean to. If you still didn't got it, or you have any type of question in the digital SAT reading type of question, you can comment down below and I'll try my best to solve your queries. Okay, so do not forget to comment. Okay, whenever you comment down, it motivates us to make more videos. Yeah, and we loved your comment, so please support like this, and thank you for watching this video.